say, as yesterday we were doing voice. Okay, so we were at present continuous tense. So in case of present continuous tense, we were doing the interrogatives. Okay, so you know that in case of interrogatives, what we have is am, are, then subject, first form object, and then object. This is the active. And when we have to change it into passive, how we will change? Is, am, are, yes, object plus object, then introduce being, then by, subject, and at the end sign of interrogation. Right? So these are the rules for the interrogative voice of present continuous tense. Okay. So for that, what was the first one which I have told you to write down? Is he writing a letter? Who is, write down next, who is disturbing you? So remember here, whenever who is there, who is always changing into by whom? Who is always changing into by whom? So how it will be changed? By whom you are being disturbed at the end question mark. By whom you are being disturbed, write down. By whom you are being disturbed at the end, sign of interrogation. Okay. Third, are they flying kites? Are they flying kites? How it will be changed? Are kites being flown by them? Right? Are kites being flown by them? So clear these? Okay. So these are the examples of instruments of present continuous tense. Right? Now let us move further to present perfect tense. Okay. So note down at the top, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Now in case of present perfect tense, what we have? Has, have, subject and third form. Then we have object, sign of interrogation. For example, has he done his work? Okay. So how it will be changed? It will be changed. Has, have, object, then be. Then third form, then by, subject, as well as at the end sign of interrogation. Okay. What will be added? It will be added sign of interrogation. Suppose first one, who has recognized you? Who has recognized you? So who is changing into by whom? By whom you, with you what we use, has or have? Have. By whom you have been recognized. At the end sign of interrogation. By whom you have been recognized, and at the end sign of interrogation. Second, why have you not run a race? Why have you not run a race? So how it will be changed? Why will remain at the starting? Why? Yes. Why? Why has a race? I told na has and have at the starting. Why has a race not been run by you? Okay. Why has a race not been run by you? Okay, not run by you. What have you done? What have you done? Yes. What have you done? How it will be changed? Yes, from online class students, raise up your hand so that I can also ask you. Yes, what have you done? What has, very good. What has been done by you, and at the end sign of interrogation. Right, this is the right answer. What has been done by you? So next, let us proceed further. Okay. Next, afterwards, we are having past, simple past tense. All the forms of past tense we will do. First of all, simple past tense. So what are the rules? In active, what we have? What we have? Second form of verb and object. How we will change into passive? Object, was, were, third form of verb by subject, that we are changing it. Okay, right? Suppose write down the example. He helped me in need. He helped me in need. Simple, these are simple ones. We are not moving to other ones. For the simple ones, we should know about negative and interrogative ones also. Yes, me will change into I and then introduce was or were. I was, third form of verb, helped by him. I was helped by him in need at the end. I was helped by him in need. Or I was helped in need by him. You can also write. Okay. Next, they kept us waiting. They kept us waiting. Yes, Rhythm. How it will be changed? Us. They kept us waiting. Very good. With we use was or were? Were. We were kept by them. We were kept waiting by them. Very good. Okay. Next, afterwards, he read a book. He read a book. Not the. A book is there. A book was read by me. A book was read by me. Right? Write down it. Okay. So next, afterwards, we are going to start with interrogatives. Side by side, we will do now. Okay. So for interrogative, what we have? What we have in case of interrogative? Did, subject. We take which form of verb? First. Then object. How it will be changed? Was, were, then object, third form of verb, then by subject sign of interrogation. Right? Because in case of present continuous tense, what we were using? In place of do and does, we were using is, am, are. And here in place of did, what we are using? We are using was, were. Okay. What we are using? We are using was, were. Here now use subjects. Use subject here. Okay. Was, he. Okay. Use subject. No. For example, let me give you an example. For example, why did you beat your son? Yes, it can be object also. Sometimes it can be subject also. Okay. Object in it. Okay. Why did you beat your son? Why did you beat your son? Yes, it will start from here. Okay. Why your son was beaten by you? Why your son was beaten by you? Right. So this is the right answer. Why your son was beaten by you? So the second part, write down the second part. Did you, I have started with did because did ki example hai na. Did you take breakfast? Did you take breakfast? So what was breakfast? Very good. Was breakfast taken by you, and at the end sign of interrogation. Was breakfast taken by you, and at the end sign of interrogation. Yes, these must be there. Clear? Where did you find this pen? Where did you find this pen? Where this pen was found by you. Very good. Again, आपको where this pen was found by you. I will make a video afterwards. Right? So next afterwards we are having present continuous tense. Okay? Let us start. Present continuous tense. Oh, sorry, past continuous tense. This is past continuous tense. Now in past continuous tense, what we have? We have was, were, first form of verb plus ing. How it will be changed? Was, were, what? Object. Was, were, being. Yes, what is the thing we introduce here is being. Being and third form of verb. Okay? Right? For example, first one, the gardener was watering the plants. The plants, 1 minute, one mistake you have made. The plants is plural. Were. Yes, the plants were being watered by the gardener. You are not writing. Write down this example also. The plants were being watered by the gardener. Okay. The cat was drinking milk. Milk was being, third form of drink is drunk. Milk was being drunk by the cat. Milk was being drunk by the cat. Next, write down one more. They were not playing chess. 1 minute. They were not playing chess. Dani, you will not introduce any word from your side. Chess. Chess was not being played by them. Chess was not being played by them. Okay. So in interrogative one, I am not writing the rule. Was were we will bring at the starting. Okay, starting. Now we have done enough. For example, were they playing cricket? Were they playing? Were they playing cricket? So, wondering was were at the starting was cricket. Very good. Was cricket being played by them? Was cricket being played by them? Who was knocking at the door? Who was knocking at the door? By whom? By whom was at the starting? Right? So, at the starting, by whom was the door being knocked at? First, don't omit the preposition which is certain. We need not to omit anything. We have to add it on, but in a systematic way. So, who will change it to by whom? By whom was the door being knocked at? And at the end, sign of interrogation. What were the children doing? One more example. What were the children doing? So how it will be changed? What was? What was? What? Now we are going to take it done. What was being done by the children? What were being done? What was being done by the children? Okay, what was being done by the children? Work you aayega. Children is going at the end. Okay, so we are not concerned with that. What was being done by the children, and at the end sign of interrogation. Clear? Right? Then afterwards coming up to past perfect tense. I hope that you have noted it down well. Next we are having what was being done by the children. Because here we are concerned with the work done, not by the children. Children तो end में चला गया, it is far away. Okay. Next is past perfect tense. Now in past perfect tense, what are the rules? We have had plus third form of verb, right? And how it will be changed into passive? Had will change into had, been, and third form of verb. Just of the rules we know. Had, been plus third form of the verb. For example, the farmers had reaped the crops. The farmers had reaped the crops. So now here in this case, reaping at the starting, the crops, there is now. This is easier for you. No need to think whether that object is singular or plural. So it will be had no? Had ही रहेगा. It will remain as had. So how it will be changed? The crops had been by the farmer. The crops had been reaped by the farmers. Okay. Next afterwards, we are having. Write down. Let me adjust my mic. So next afterwards, write down. They had not finished the work. They had not finished the work. Had. The work had not been finished by them. Okay. Next is we had already taken our meals. How it will be changed? Our meals had already been taken by us. Right. Very good. Okay. Our meals had already been taken by us. Very good. So now you know that in case of interrogative, we have to bring had at the starting. What we have to do? We have to bring had at the starting. For example, where had she placed her purse? Where had she placed her purse? Start from this question word. Where subject first. Where her purse had been placed by her. Okay, subject first. Where her purse had been placed by her. Or yes, you can write down where had her purse. Okay, bring had at the starting. You are in confusion of that, na? Okay, where had her purse then been? Where had her purse been placed by her? Bring had at the starting. How had they solved this problem? How had they solved this problem? Yes, how had this problem been solved by them? this problem being solved by them. Right? Okay. So clear these ones. Next, we are coming to future tense. Let us start. Should I rub it down? I hope that online students also note it down. Yes? If yes, put your thumbs up. Right. Okay, fine. So let us start with future tense. First of all, simple future tense. Simple future tense. What we have here, will and shall, and first form of verb, right? So how it will be changed? Will and shall will change into will be, shall be, and verb third form. And which form of verb? Third form of the verb. For example, they will run a race. They will run a race. Very good. A race will be run by them. It will be a race will be run by them. Because already their be is there. फिर change ही नहीं होता, सीधा perfect में आते हैं, right? Next is she will not beat me. She will not beat me. With I we are using shall. I shall not be beaten by her. Okay? No mistake can be included. Okay? For example, everyone will blame us. Everyone will blame us. We shall be blamed by everyone. We shall be blamed by everyone. And when we have to change into interrogatives, bring will at the starting. Okay? So let us give me an example. For example, why will he help you? Will he help you? Will he help you? Will you helped by him? Very good. It is simple. At the end, sign of interrogation. Will you be helped by him? And at the end, what will be there? At the end, sign of interrogation. Why will she pay the fine? Why will she pay the fine? Why will the fine be paid by her? Okay, why will the fine be paid by her? Okay, so this is the one. The last one let us do because less time is there, but still we will do. We will have future perfect tense because for continuous we don't have. Okay, because there is already be and ing. Okay, so for future what we have? We have future perfect tense. What we have in future perfect tense? We have will have, shall have, And what we have, which form of verb? Third form of verb. How it will change into passive? Will have been, shall have been. Will have been and shall have been. And which form of verb? Third form of verb we will have. Okay. So, for example, they will have enjoyed the picnic. They will have enjoyed the picnic. The picnic, yes, the picnic will have been enjoyed by them. You just have to introduce have been. Okay. She will have cooked the meal. She will have cooked the meal. Yes, Guntas, you can give the answer. The meal, start from the meal. But very good. The meal will have been cooked by her. The meal will have been cooked by her. I shall have written many letters. I shall have written many letters. Yes, many letters will have been written by me. Okay, and when we have to change in interrogative, will have, shall have at the starting. For example, will she have washed the clothes? For example, will she have washed the clothes? How it will be changed? Will at the starting. Will the clothes have, right. Will the clothes have been washed by her? Simple. The last example I am giving you is, why will Mohan, or write down, when will the police have caught the thief? When will the police have caught the thief? Yes. So, when will the police have caught the thief? When will what? Subject. When will, sorry, object. When will the thief have been caught by the police? Right? Okay. See, now it is when will the police have caught the thief? When will the thief have been? Have been subject. After will, you will use object, sorry. When will the thief have been caught by the police? Right? So this is all. Fine, this is all for your voice. All the rules are complete. And tomorrow we will start with another topic.